Still relying on a manual and paper process for operators to be certified to run dangerous equipment or handle caustic materials? Are you struggling with the accuracy of operator certification in your production process? I'm Michael Jewson. I'm a senior solution architect at Engineering Industries Excellence. I've helped manufacturers in all industries roll out SAP digital manufacturing in complex and regulated environments. One reoccurring challenge we see is ensuring that operators on the shop floor are using the equipment and materials that they have been properly educated and trained to. It can be very dangerous, perhaps even life-threatening, during the manufacturing process if an operator starts to perform work when they have not been properly trained in using heavy equipment or hazardous materials. In one of our projects, we leveraged the SAP Digital Manufacturing Certification module to ensure that operators were properly trained before allowing them to start a laser welding machine. This result was invaluable by management and the risk team to ensure that this potentially dangerous machine was operated only by trained personnel. Here, we will show from the operator's perspective of the Production Operator Dashboard, or POD, that contains a shop order awaiting to be started at a phase in the process. The operator will not have the correct certification, and when the start button is pressed, SAP DM will display a certification error message to the operator. Here you can see the operator has not been certified to work at this phase. Also, a notification is made in the upper right-hand corner. When the operator has been certified by a trainer, they can go into the Manage User Assignments module and add the proper certification to that operator. After being successfully added and saved, the operator will then have the ability to perform the start. Back within the pod, the certified operator can now press the start button. Since the operator now has the correct certification, the shop order will be started. As you can see, the operator is now valid to work at this phase. One thing I always recommend is to leverage technology to remove any potentially dangerous situations around ensuring operators have the proper training for both equipment and materials to increase workplace safety. That's a quick take from the field. Follow us for more insights from our Engineering IndX experts. Thank you.